Artificial intelligence is all around us, from the apps on our phones to self-driving cars. But what exactly is AI, and how does it work? In this video, we'll break it all down in a simple way. No complicated jargon, just clear explanations. Let's get started. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the ability of machines to mimic human intelligence. There are three main types: narrow AI, which powers things like Google Search and Siri; general AI, which is a theoretical AI that can think like a human; and super AI, which surpasses human intelligence. Right now, most AI we use is narrow AI. AI operates through machine learning and deep learning. Machine learning allows computers to learn from data, while deep learning, inspired by the human brain, uses artificial neural networks. When you ask Siri a question or get a recommendation from Netflix, AI is at work, recognizing patterns and making predictions. AI is everywhere. In healthcare, AI helps doctors detect diseases early. In business, chatbots assist customers 24/7. Streaming platforms like YouTube and Spotify use AI to recommend content you'll love. Even self-driving cars use AI to navigate roads safely. The impact of AI is massive and growing every day. But AI isn't perfect. There are concerns about bias in AI algorithms, job automation, and even AI surpassing human intelligence. How can we ensure AI remains ethical and fair? Experts suggest responsible AI development, transparency, and regulations to guide its growth. What does the future hold for AI? We are advancing toward artificial general intelligence, where AI might perform tasks just like a human. Will AI take our jobs, or will it create new opportunities? One thing is certain: AI is shaping the future, and we must stay informed. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. See you in the next video.